Guess what just arrived?
What is it?
This thing is massive. It needed a special carrier to bring it here. Honestly, it feels like they're delivering a luxury car. But nope, it's something even more exciting for our family. And I can't wait to show you what's inside.
This is the biggest box I've seen from an e-bike. Alright. Thing is huge. Boom, look at that.
Wow. And here it is, the Tarran T1 Pro electric cargo bike. And the setup, pretty much done for you. All I had to do was pop the seat on, tighten the handlebars, and it was ready to roll. Let's take a closer look because this bike is packed with features. Up here on the bars, you've got easy access buttons for everything, lights, turn signals, horn, even music controls. And this isn't just any display, it's a 5.2-inch retina touchscreen running Tarran OS with LTE, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth built in. The camera system is one of my favorite parts. You've got front, middle, and rear views. And if something gets too close behind you, the bike actually beeps to alert you.
It's telling me you're too close to me, Marcus. You heard the beep? Now if you get closer, you hear the beep.
Huge safety feature, especially with kids on board. You've got a glide function that makes starts and stops feel silky smooth. You can change horn sounds.
Cool.
Activate Sentry mode and see everything from different camera angles. You can even answer phone calls and control your music right from the handlebars. Scroll up or down for volume. No reaching for your phone. And here's the cool part. This bike gets software updates, so it just keeps getting better. When we got ours, it already had an update waiting, and they're adding GPS navigation in the near future. Now, the specs. This is a mid-drive motor with 100 Newton meters of torque, 250 watts continuous, peaking at 750 watts. Top speed is about 25 kilometers per hour, or 15.5 miles per hour. It can carry up to 220 kilograms total. That's about 485 pounds. So hauling 2 kids plus groceries? No problem. You've got a removable battery with a dual battery option for extended range. $180mm rotor brakes, and the whole bike weighs 65 kilograms, or 143 pounds. Weight limits are spread smartly. About 220 pounds for the rider, 143 pounds up front, 60 pounds in the rear. Recommended rider height is 5 feet 1 inch to 6 feet 5 inches. And if you notice this charger looks different, that's because the T1 Pro isn't in the US yet. Right now, it's in European countries like Austria, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and the Netherlands. That's why ours came with the European-style plug. The headlights and turn signals are super bright and really visible at night, which is another great safety feature when you're riding with family. To actually unlock the bike, you'll need this Tarran NFC card, kind of like a digital key. And since the app isn't live for the US yet, it won't work here just now. But the good news is Tarran's planning to bring the T1 Pro stateside very soon. This isn't just a bike, it's a family mover. Charlie has been asking to ride this to daycare every single day. So, yep, we've been taking it there.
Whoa.
Whoa.
He absolutely loves this bike, and honestly, he wants to ride it every single day.
Oh yeah, gang.
Oh yeah. You ready to get on the cool bike?
Oh yeah, boy.
You excited?
Yep.
There we go. You ready? You excited? Tell you love this bike?
Yeah. I love it ever.
Oh, it's your favorite bike?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we ready, buddy?
Yeah, I want Marcus.
You want Marcus' cool song?
Yeah, buddy.
Here we go. What'd you say?
You bring it back every day, and I love that song.
Okay. We'll do it every day, okay?
Okay.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay.
We've used it for grocery runs,
You ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mashed potato and mac and cheese.
You get in? You got it? Be ready.
school drop-offs,
Well, this is a new contraption.
Yeah.
Like a bathtub.
Yep.
Should they jerk hard?
Yeah. Yep.
See on the rebound.
Okay. Morning. All right, buddy. Okay. Yep. Wow. All right.
Oh, you bought.
Have a good day, buddy. Bye, Marcus. I'll pick you up, okay? Hey.
Hey, everybody. Welcome to Monday.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys?
Good.
Good, good, good. Walk your truck. Yeah.
Got a bike again,
What?
scooter again.
Easter.
Oh.
What's up, Marcus?
Say hi.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Mom, do you need me to carry the backpack?
Excuse us. It's a big group. Let's go here. Stop right about here. Wow. Have a good day.
even trips to the pool. And of course, weekend adventures. Tarran also offers a bunch of accessories, like a child seat with a 5-point safety harness, an all-weather bike cover, long-range battery, quick-release rain cover, cargo rack, storage organizers, and more. For our setup, we went with the child seat and harness, which keeps the kids safe and comfortable on every ride. The T1 Pro really handles it all without breaking a sweat. And here's where all those features come to life. The landing gear drops down to keep the bike rock solid when you stop.
Wow.
The cameras switch seamlessly between front, middle, and rear, so you've always got eyes all around you. And at night, those bright headlights and turn signals make sure you're seen from every angle. It's safe, it's smooth, and it feels like you're riding the future. From everyday errands to big family outings, the Tarran T1 Pro turns every trip into an adventure. And honestly, it's a real head turner. We've had so many people stop us,
It's wild.
compliment the bike, and ask what it is.
It's really cool.
This has been hands down the best cargo e-bike for our family and such a great addition to our daily life. I'll drop the link in the description box below so you can check it out. We'll keep riding and testing to see just how much it can handle. So stick around because this is just the beginning. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment, share, like, and smash that ring bell for more reviews and family adventures. Big thanks to Tarran for sponsoring this video. We've really been enjoying this bike, and Marcus and Charlie love it so much they want to ride it every single day.
We got the bike.
Holy cow!
You ready? You silly goose.
Thank you riding on the bikes.
You love to ride the bike.
Yeah. You bring it back every day and I love that song.
Okay, we'll do it every day, okay?
Okay.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Okay.